Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a higher washer dryer. I'm going to show you how to do the lint filter today. The model number is HWD C1200 TX-VE-U. Down on the bottom, on the right, there should be a little plastic door. It's missing from this one, but you just click this thing in and the door would fall down, and in here, this is where the filter is. There's a, I don't know what that is there, it's just a bit of a blanking plug, I think. Like that. Sometimes there's a little hose that comes out, but not on this one. So we've got a bit of water there, lovely. I'm sure it's clean. Not much. That's the plug. If that's full of stuff, then that's probably your problem. If the machine's full of water, it won't drain down. So in there, that's the impeller blades, and that's the pump. They pump the water around. Pretty clean, looks okay to me. To finish it off then, I'll just put this plug back in, screw it up. Close the door if it was there, and that's it. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.